Hey, what's up guys, Got here and welcome back to the channel. Last video we went over a simple Python program where we learned how to use the print function and what we can do with it. Well, in today's video we're going to be implementing a bit further on that. In today's video we're going to be learning what variables are and how we can use variables in a Python program. Now, to put it straightforwardly, variables are just variables can just store pieces of data or information that you give them. That piece of data or information can be letter strings, numbers, even decimals, right? Now, to get started, what we can do first is obviously we're gonna open up VS Code. So I'm just gonna type in VC here, open up VS Code, Visual Studio Code, which that means. Then I'm going to open up my folder where I'm storing these files, which is in my YouTube folder and tutorials where I'm storing. And in here, I already have my tutorial from last time, so I'm going to create a new Python file called I'm just going to call this variable.py. Right now, py is the extension you want because you're going to be creating a Python file. Now, we have this file right here, variable.py. Now, how we can create a variable in Python is simply just getting a name for it first. So, a name for a variable could be anything. Like math, you have x is equal to 2. Like x is the name of the variable, which is going to be storing that piece of data, which is 2. So, what we can do is, let's say we wanted to create a hello string, right? So we can do something like hello. And there we have it. We have a variable called hello, which stores a string called hello. Now what we can do with this variable is that we can print it. We can do print hello. And now we save a file. Now we can run this right here from our run button. We're gonna get the output of hello. Now another way that we can run this is through our command prompt or terminal. Now I'm gonna be using the Hyper.js terminal for this, and I'm gonna run this through here. Now to run it in a terminal, what you can do is you can do Python, then the variable and the file name in my case is variable.py, and then you get the output hello. Easy, that's simple. Now variables can also store integers, right? So we can do integers such as, let's say 89, and then we save and we run and we get 89. Now variables can also store decimals. We can do 0.89 and save this and then run. And then we get 0.89. So cool. Now, in Python, the variables are dynamic variables. That means you don't have to specify what type of variable it is, whether it's a string or an integer. While in some languages, they're going to be static variables where you have to explicitly specify what type of variable you're using, otherwise you're going to get an error. Now another thing that we can do is that we can use the type function to tell us what type of variable we're using. So if you do type hello, we save the program and we run it, we will get it's a type float, right? Because this is decimal, which is also known as float.